Investing in debentures involves several steps. Research. Start by researching different debentures available in the market. Understand the terms, interest rates, maturity periods, and risk factors associated with each debenture. Evaluate risk. Assess the creditworthiness of the issuer. Higher risk issuers may offer higher returns but also come with increased default risk. Evaluate the issuer's financial health and credit ratings from rating agencies. Open DEMA account. To invest in debentures, you will need a DEMA account with a registered brokerage or financial institution. If you don't already have one, open a DEMA account and link it to your bank account. Place order. Once you've identified the debentures you want to invest in, place an order through your broker. Specify the quantity and price at which you want to buy the debentures. Review documentation. After placing your order, carefully review the documentation provided by the issuer or your broker. This includes the prospectus, offer document, and terms of the debenture. Investment confirmation. Once your order is executed, you will receive confirmation of your investment. Verify the details and ensure that the debentures are credited to your DEMA account. Monitor investment. Keep track of your debenture investments regularly. Monitor interest payments, maturity dates, and any corporate actions that may affect your investment. Redemption or sale. At maturity, the debentures will be redeemed and you will receive the principal amount plus any accrued interest. Alternatively, you can sell your debentures in the secondary market before maturity if needed.